This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your domain resolves to the host and you can edit DNS. Once confirmed, create a full backup of files and the database and download it locally. Next, confirm your hosting plan supports SSL or allows manual certificate installation. Many hosts provide free Let's Encrypt options. While you prepare DNS and backups, open your WordPress admin and note active caching or security plugins, because those settings will need temporary adjustment during the HTTPS switch. Now install the certificate via your host control panel or use Let's Encrypt. Alternatively, upload the CRT and key if provided. Once the certificate is active, change both WordPress address and site address to https:// in settings right arrow general. After that, enable a server-level redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. Use htaccess for Apache or server block for Nginx, if unsure. Use your host's redirect tool. Re-enable caching carefully after testing, and check mixed content issues in the browser console so resources load securely. Finish by replacing internal HTTP// links with HTTPS// using WPCLI search replace or a trusted plugin, and update CDN or external service endpoints. Once done, clear all caches and test pages on desktop and mobile, check the browser console for mixed content warnings, and run an SSL Labs check for certificate health. If something fails, make sure to disable plugins one at a time to find conflicts, and if the site becomes inaccessible, restore the backup you made earlier. This is the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.